Hey YouTubers, this is Lisa from Pressure Crisp, and today we're going to be making some homemade French fries in the Ninja Foodi. So what you see in front of you is russet potatoes. They've been washed, not peeled, and put through a French fryer. You soak them for at least 30 minutes, but probably longer would be better. And then you want to make sure they are perfectly dry. Dry them with paper towels to make sure there's no water left on them. So what we're going to do, we're just going to take some olive oil. You're going to put in about a tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to take some kosher salt, just a sprinkling, and some black pepper. What you can do, just use your hand. You're just going to make sure all the olive oil, the salt, the pepper, try to get it on every French fry. There you go. So that's good right there. What we're going to do, we're just going to pour them into the tender crisp basket. Sorry, I just want to call it the fryer, but it's not. Make sure they're evenly spread around. It's already on. You're going to close the lid. You're going to hit air crisp. We're going to do it for, let's turn it down to 350. We're going to do them for 15 minutes. Just hit start. Okay, so the Ninja Foodi is done. It's cool. Now it's done. It shuts off. We can open up the air crisper and pull out the fries. Look at these beauties. Wow. Gorgeous. Okay, what I like to do is add a little bit more salt. You can add more pepper. You can also add, parmesan cheese, chop up some fresh thyme and rosemary, and just sprinkle it on top. And it's a great, great flavor. Or you can just use the old best standby is Heinz. Or take mayonnaise and mix ketchup together. I think they sell that in a bottle now. I haven't tried it yet. But let's just give these a taste. Really hot. Really good. They're very, very good. Very tasty. So, thank you for watching the video, and please like and